Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Learn with Harpreet. I think by now you must have learned the name of my channel also. अब तक आपको चैनल का नाम भी याद हो गया होगा और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल बिकॉज अगर आप लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो यू विल गेट इन टच विद मी और आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी एजुकेशनल वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो टुडे आज मैम टॉपिक लेके आई है ज्योमेट्री. ज्योमेट्री स्टार्ट होती है क्लास 3 से. तो जब हम ज्योमेट्री स्टार्ट करते हैं क्लास 3 से बेसिक पॉइंट्स क्या पढ़ाए जाते हैं. सबसे पहले पढ़ाया जाता है व्हाट इज अ पॉइंट. पॉइंट पढ़ाया जाता है. उसके बाद आता है लाइन सेगमेंट, फिर लाइन, उसके बाद आता है रे. तो लेट्स बिगिन विद पॉइंट. हम पॉइंट से बात करते हैं, पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमें ज्योमेट्री करनी होती है तो पहला जो मैटर सीखना है, पहला टॉपिक सीखना है इज अ पॉइंट. ठीक है. व्हाट इज अ पॉइंट? अ पॉइंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अ डॉट. दिस इज अ पॉइंट. A point is represented by a dot. Okay, it shows a definite position. ये एक definite, एक position definite बताता है कि इसी जगह पर वो चीज है. जैसे suppose I draw a tree or something, a toy, तो it is at this point, मतलब shows, it will show a definite position. Okay, now line segment. What is a line segment? See, this is a line segment. Line segment is made up by joining the two dots, and this line segment, it has two definite end points. Means this and this are the definite end points. Means line segment cannot be extended on any of its direction. You cannot extend it here or you cannot extend it here. Okay, this will remain a fixed line segment. Like it may be a 3 centimeter line segment or a 4 centimeter line segment. So this is represented by like this A and B and like this. This means this will show that this is a line segment. Line. What is a line? Line is this, line is this, A and B, which has one fixed point. Okay, and it can be extended endlessly to the next point. From the next point, it can be extended endlessly. So this is called a line, and it is represented by like this because it has starting end point and no fixed end point. The other point is not fixed. It can be extended from this side. Okay. Ray. What is ray? This is a ray. Ray has no fixed end points. From either of the sides, it can be extended. It can be extended from A side. It can be extended this side, left side, right side. It can be extended on either sides. So therefore, it is called a ray. Ray is represented as like this. Okay. So this is the basic which is taught to class 3 or 4 children when they start up with geometry. What is geometry? You know, it is a part of mathematics. Mathematics का ही part है. जब आपको point पता चला line segment, line and ray, अब आपको पता होना चाहिए types of lines. कितनी तरह की lines होती हैं? See, there are straight lines. Straight lines क्या होती हैं? This is a straight line. Yes, straight line which is a line which is drawn along a horizontal surface. Along the surface, देखिए ये surface है, ये मेरा blackboard है. Along the surface, I am drawing this line. So this is a straight line, which is drawn along the surface. Curved lines. See, this is curved lines. These are curved lines. Slanting lines or oblique lines. First, let me tell you what are horizontal lines. The lines which are drawn. The lines which are drawn horizontally, the lines which are drawn straight on a horizontal surface are called horizontal lines, and the lines which are drawn vertical upright are called vertical lines. This is horizontal line, this is vertical lines, and the lines which are neither horizontal nor vertical are the slanting lines. That means oblique lines. Oblique lines you can say, or you can say slanting lines. So today you have come to know point, line segment, horizontal lines, vertical lines, straight line, curved lines, slanting lines. So this is the beginning of geometry. You will be in touch with me and I'll be in touch with you through my channel only. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Wait for me in the next video. We'll continue with geometry and maths also. Thank you.